Hey, what is up guys, this is Ronald here. So today morning I woke up and thought of making a YouTube video, but I was not knowing what to make. It's been couple of days I uploaded, so I just thought of making a random vlog video, just another life update. So a week ago I bought this new car. You might have seen if you follow my Instagram, Mahindra Thar. So within 1 week I customized it. So I like customizing since I was child actually. A lot of you guys can relate. So playing GTA games and all, we used to customize our cars, like changing colors and all. Similar way in real life also. So I also customized my bike also. Again, you might have seen that customized Royal Enfield of mine in my Instagram. So similar way, I could not resist myself. Actually Thar is meant for customization. So I pretty much customized it. Still lot of customization is in my mind, but let's see in future, I might do some more customization. Yeah, and one more thing guys, I think since I like customization, that is the main reason I guess I like Amazon FBA. So here also in this particular business, what we do is we pick a product which is selling well, which has high demand and low competition, and obviously we customize it. We change its color, we add a beautiful logo to it, so that we can charge a premium price for it and sell it to the premium customers. So if you are new to this channel, actually I do Amazon FBA, private labeling, not drop shipping. A lot of people get confused to it. So private labeling means, we have to have that particular inventory and building a brand, building a proper brand, in our name actually, whichever name that we prefer. So if you want to know more about it, obviously I have my free learning app as well. You can find the links in my description below, in my YouTube or else on my Instagram bio. So you can find those links, and also I have created several playlists on it on YouTube. And actually I thought of making a YouTube video of me going with my friends, to take the delivery of Mahindra Thar. But since I had already made a video of taking delivery of a car for surprising my mother on her birthday, so I just made a short, like small shorts kind of video. We all friends went to the Mahindra showroom and took delivery of Mahindra Thar. And yeah, I opened a champagne bottle as well. And one more thing is, actually I had, if you guys follow me, you might have known that I had a Duster previously. It was my favorite car and it was my first car actually. So that car, since I driven more than 1 lakh, it had some problem. So a mechanic told me I had to spend more than 60,000 to get it repaired. So I just thought of selling it and buying a new car. So that's instant decision that I made to buy this car. But I personally like it, and especially after customization, the reaction that we get for this particular car is amazing.
So guys, as you can see, so I have first thing that I have changed is grill. I have put a Wrangler grill with red, some calipers, and bumper I have not yet changed. And one more thing is headlight. So this is like minus headlight. I don't know what they call it actually. So I was thinking to put a dragon headlight, but again, so after 6 months I will be changing again. I will be doing some other customization. And if we come here, tire also I have to change, tire and mag wheels. So again I am keeping it as a pending. And this is like footrest, I guess, to climb up. And one more thing that I have changed is so the tail lamp, it has some unique light designs, and also reflector, the brake lights and all. Yeah, so outside I think that's it. Yeah, and one more thing is I have put UFO lights. I think in the starting video you saw it. So yeah, interior I will show you what all designs, what all changes I have made. So interior, as you can see, I have put ambient lights, and also this Mercedes vents, and yeah, lightings and all, and also armrest was not there. I have put 3 armrests here and also 2 in the back sides. Yeah, 4 people can easily sit comfortably. So these are the modification, guys.
So yeah guys, and one more thing that I had to tell was, this video I did not made it to show off. These materialistic things, obviously it reminds me of my hard work. A lot of people will relate to this. So these materialistic things just push us hard, basically for me. So these when I when I sit in these cars and all, it reminds me that I have to work more harder. That's the reason, I guess. And one more thing is financial freedom is everything for me. So when I started my business, obviously just like every boys, I had a dream that I should buy car, I should make money and all. But since I failed several times, then I came to know that financial freedom is everything. So then my main goal was financial freedom. Once I went for that particular financial freedom thing, then everything came with it. It was like bonus things, the car and all. So no matter what you buy, nothing compares to the financial freedom which you achieve with the business. So it is very hard to achieve financial freedom if you are going to a job actually. So again, if your goal is financial freedom, then no other way, you have to do business. So business is the best way that you can make passive income. Obviously upfront time is required to get start with the business, but once your product is running, once your business is running, you can make it passive. You can use your money to generate more money. You don't have to invest your time. That's the beauty of doing business, doing entrepreneurship. So that's it for this video, guys. In future I usually make these vlog kinds of video very less. So in future I'll be making more product research videos, as well as Amazon FBA strategies and tutorials. So you can follow me. You can follow me also on Instagram. I'll be regularly posting there stories and all. So yeah, that's it guys. See you in the next video.